John, a comprehensive victory. Did it feel as comfortable as the scoreline looked?
I think when I watch the game back, potentially, yes. It's never going to be comfortable. With Cardiff Met here, it's just never going to be. You know, there's been here multiple times. It's always a difficult game, and like I said, building up to the game, Jenks has got a very good team. They're playing for Jenks. They've got an athletic team. They've got a dynamic team. They've got threats all over the pitch. A couple of players that used to play for us as well. So you know they're always going to cause us issues. But all credit has to go to my players today, because I think they were absolutely outstanding. We've limited them to not having a shot at goal, and we've scored 3 goals again, which is fantastic. I'm so proud of the players on the back of last week, where it was a difficult last 5 minutes of the game, and they've showed real character and real togetherness to come through that and put on a real professional performance.
Mi oeddech chi ar rediad o 6 gem heb golli cyn heddiw. Pa mor bwysig ydi o I drio anghofio am heddiw fel petai?
Ie, os dim un o'n ni falle o'n i bai am y seintiau digon da I mynd ar rediad sydd yn para y tymor. Felly y bounce back ability yn bwysig iawn yn y cyngor yma, ac mae'r boys ifanc sydd yn ni hefyd, ni'n mynd I fod yn inconsistent, a mae rhaid I ni ffindo ffordd eto wythnos nesaf mae'r seintiau gyda ni ffwrdd sydd yn mynd I fod yn rwydd, a wedyn mae'r rediad bach cryf dyn ni I orffen y flwyddyn eto, so newn ni byd ni gorfod wneud I trio mynd ar rediad arall nawr.
Rhys, 2 teams coming into this game in good form, but you came out on top.
Yeah, like you say, they're in brilliant form, Cardiff Met, but so were we, you know, doing really well at the moment, and you know we were really disappointed what happened last week to concede the 2 goals we did, but you know we know we're a good team, and on our day we can beat anyone, so yeah, come here full of belief and confidence and got the 3 points. Yeah.